So when you divide with partial quotients, we had been practicing, multiplying with partial products. So it's a similar idea, but obviously the opposite, right? Because products and quotients are the opposite, multiplication, division operations. So when you're using this style of solving with using partial quotients, what you want to do is you want to kind of choose numbers that you're familiar with, right? So use kind of friendly numbers. So when you think about, okay, when I am solving here, I can take my three, right? I'm still using my dividend out, or sorry, my divisor out here, the three. And I'm going to say, how many threes, right, could I multiply it by? Well, I could do it by 10, get me 30. I could do it by 20, that'd get me 60. If I did it by another, it'd be too much, it'd be 80. So we can drag up our 60, maybe. Okay, so we say it's 60. Then you subtract and you get 18. So similar style there. And now you're going to say, well, I'm still working with my divisor of 3. So how many threes does it take to make 18 or to get close? And it takes 6, and it gets you exactly 18. So the part that's a little bit different here is now you're going to take these numbers kind of in red, the amount of times that you multiplied 3, right? You multiplied it by 20, and then you multiplied it 6. And so you ended up with 26. So 26 is your quotient. And there's no leftovers, there's no remainders. So similarly here, we're going to take our 5, our divisor, and we're going to say, well, how many tens can I kind of pull out? 10, right? 5 times 10 is 50. If I do another set of tens, that would get me too much, right? It would be 100. So I'm going to say 5 times 10 is 50. And then you're going to say, okay, let's subtract. We have 41 left. 91 minus 50 is 41. And now we're going to say, okay, well, 5 times what gets me close to 41? Well, 5 times 8 gets me 40 with 1 left over. So you end up having your 10 plus your 8, which gets you 18 with 1 left over. And you could say 18 and 1/5 to be more specific.